Designing your dream office on the Space Coast, from functional to fabulous. Let's be honest, working from home has its perks. Hello, pajama pants. But staring at a dull wall while answering emails just won't do. Your home office should spark creativity, match your vibe, and reflect your Space Coast lifestyle. Whether you're launching rockets or Zoom meetings, wrangling spreadsheets, or painting your next masterpiece, it's time to create a space that makes you want to work. As your favorite Space Coast realtor, hey, that's me. I'm bringing you inspiration, decoration, and transformation for your perfect home office setup. Let's launch into the details. The essentials. Must-have items for any home office. No matter what your profession, you need a few basics to turn your corner into Command Central. You need a comfy, stylish chair. Your booty will thank you. A desk with storage. Functionable, can still be fashionable. And good lighting. Natural is best, but a chip desk lamp saves the day. Noise-canceling headphones or speakers, because leaf blowers wait for no one. A printer-scanner combo, still handy in 2025. Cable management system, untangle your life and your cords. And let's not forget, a water bottle or coffee station nearby, because hydration and caffeine are productivity cousins. So some theme ideas and color schemes to match your vibe. Ready to turn that blank room into something inspiring? Pick a theme that matches your personality or profession, and let's color it in. We've got whimsical and fun for creative souls and free spirits. A color scheme would be coral, turquoise, lemon yellow, and white. The decor, macrame hall hangings, quirky clocks, lava lamps, and tropical plants. The artwork could be local artist pieces from Space Coast, vintage Florida travel posters, or do-it-yourself painted surfboards as wall art. Your desk decor, pineapple paperweights, flamingo pen holders, and rainbow sticky notes. And for a bonus, add a hammock chair for midday brain breaks. Just don't nap too long. Next, we've got Space Coast Chic, perfect for techies, engineers, and space fans. Color scheme, deep navy, silver, galactic black, and hints of electric blue. For your decor, let's get some LED strip lighting, NASA memorabilia, framed satellite imagery of Florida's coast. For your artwork, rocket launch photography, glow-in-the-dark constellation decals, or a real telescope by the window. Your desk decor, meteorite paperweight, floating moon lamp, and an astronaut figurine giving a thumbs up. Ground control to your productivity levels. Next stop, orbit. Next we have Coastal Calm, great for therapists, coaches, or wellness pros. Color scheme, seafoam green, driftwood beige, sky blue, and soft white. The decor, driftwood accents, soft textiles, shell decor, and soothing scents. Maybe a lavender diffuser, anyone? Artwork, watercolor prints of sea turtles, manatees, or local beachscapes. Your desk decor, a salt lamp, bamboo pen cup, and a miniature Zen garden. Do you feel the stress wash away with every task you check off? Lawyer, accountant, or CEO vibes for the power players. Color scheme, charcoal, mahogany, gold accents, and ivory. Your decor, a leather chair, wood grain finishes, classy bookshelves, bonus points for War and Peace you never read. Artwork, black and white photography, framed diplomas, or minimalist abstract art. And desk decor, brass letter opener, monogram stationery, and a sleek digital clock. When your space says, I make big moves, the deals just roll in. And your sidekick for success? The best office companion is a dachshund. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate work-from-home sidekick, look no further than a mini dachshund. These loyal little lowriders are the best foot warmers, lap cuddlers, and motivation for quick breaks. Plus, they're experts at reminding you when it's snack time. Side note, I raised the cutest dachshund pups on the planet, and I might just have your future furry coworker available now. Don't love your current office space? Let's fix that. If your home office is more meh than marvelous, don't sweat it. That's where I come in. I can help you find a home on Florida's beautiful Space Coast with the perfect home office setup, whether it's a sun-drenched spare room, a converted den, or even a backyard she-shed office pod. Call or text me at 321-480-7662. You can search homes with dreamy office spaces at margaretsellsdreamhomes.com, or you can peek at some homes with home offices and more on my YouTube channel at Dream Homes Space Coast, Florida. Let's get you set up for success. Your home office should be a place that inspires you, makes you smile, and maybe even earns you a few compliments on your Zoom background. From fun themes to full-on dream homes, I'm here to help every step of the way. Margaret Klein signing off, and I hope I inspired you to make your home office a motivating place to work. Or have made you consider giving me a call to help you find a better home office space. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe.